we guide you through how to fix iPhone alarm silent or sound too low. So the first thing you need to do is to open settings and tap sounds and haptics. Then check your ringer and alerts volume and drag the slider to increase it. And make sure change with buttons is turned off so your alarm volume doesn't accidentally go down when using volume buttons. Next, go to the clock app, tap alarm, select your alarm, and ensure the sound is not set to none, and choose a louder tune like radar or apex. Then go back and check if your iPhone is not in silent mode by flipping the switch on the side, because alarm sound should still sound, but sometimes glitch happens. After that, disable focus or do not disturb by going to settings, focus, and turning it off or adjust the schedule so it won't interfere. Then make sure your Bluetooth is off or disconnected from speakers or earbuds because your alarm might be playing there instead of your phone. And finally, reset your iPhone to refresh the system and fix minor bugs. And if the issue continues, uploads the latest iOS version since software bugs can affect alarm volume.